Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is another hair station video and we're gonna try some VP Fashion hair extensions. I got this package 3 days after I ordered it online. And here's what's inside the box. You get 8 hair clip extensions. They're in different sizes depending on where you want to put them. These are 100% human hair and they can be heated, washed, styled, and curled. The design I got is 6138 and this is the lightest shade that they have. This is perfect for me because this is one of those hair extensions that can be colored, and you know me, I'm all about color. Mine came with a protective hanger, which is great because it has this material inside that really holds onto the hair extensions properly. It also comes with a carrier bag where I can put the extensions when I don't feel like using them. But know that these are sold separately. I love having these hair tools because if I don't need to use the extensions, I can just put them away here and I'll be sure that they're protected from dirt or anything unnecessary. And it's convenient to bring the wigs around. The clips are already sewn into the extensions, but there are extra ones. It'll be my first time to work with lunar tides, but I'm very excited. I'll be using blue velvet for my base and a little bit of nightshade to create an ombre effect. And I'll be using Arctic Fox Sterling for the extensions as base because my hair is actually kind of gray to begin with. I'll be coloring my extensions on the floor, so I'm using this protective layer. Of course, it is up to you, this is totally optional, but I find it comfortable to color my extensions on the floor. And I'm starting to put my base. This is the Arctic Fox Sterling. My hair is not as blonde as this, it is actually a dark gray, that's why I'm starting with this base. As usual, I'm working in sections because it just makes it easier. It makes the whole process easier, and it's what I do when I color my real hair on my head. While I'm letting my extensions dry, I'm going to start working on my real base, which is my hair. The color I'm using now is blue velvet, and it's the darkest of the colors I got from Rainbow Head PH. And I'm still working in sections because again, it makes the whole process easier. And now that I'm done putting blue velvet all over my hair, I'm going to go back on working my extensions. So now I'm going to rinse it. And I'm just trying to emulsify the locks, and by emulsify I mean just rubbing the hair against each other. And these are the extensions when they're dry. It's a very pretty shade of silver. They actually look prettier than my real hair, but anyway, I'll be doing a blue, violet, pink ombre, if that makes sense. So I'm starting with blue velvet, which is the darkest shade at the top, and then in the middle area of the extensions, I'll be putting nightshade, which is my violet color. And I won't be coloring all the way through. I'll be leaving the last few inches of the extensions bare, so there will be no color there, so that when I start rinsing it, I'll have this ombre look. And you will see what I mean later on. I'll be doing the same coloring technique for all hair clip extensions. And this is one of the sets already completed. I'm just going to leave it to dry for about 30 minutes to an hour. I'll be using the protective hanger and I'll just leave it there. I'm going to start with one of the 4 clip hair extensions. I'll be using a hairspray and a fine bristled comb to tease my hair, and this is to help put volume where I would put the extensions. So I start by putting hairspray on the layer I just made, and then I'll tease that. And that is to make sure that the hair clip extensions have something to clip onto. It's kind of weird when you start out, but when you get used to it, it becomes easier. And as you can see, I asked the help of my husband to do this, and it's the same technique all over it. For the second layer, I put hairspray, I tease it, and yep, my husband was also helping me out. And then I just put the next hair clip extensions. I think this is the 4 clip extensions, the widest one, since it's in the middle area of my head. Now I'll be working on the sides of my hair. I'll be using the 3 clip extension. Same technique, I'll put hairspray all over the hair and then I'm going to tease that. And I'll be putting the 3 clip hair extension. Now I'm going to start clipping the solo clip extensions, and it's really up to you where you want to put these extra ones. I like to put them at the top just so that I can have more volume there. And just like makeup, I want to make sure that my hair is well blended, so I'll be using this hair straightener just so that my real hair and the hair extensions will marry each other. And that is it for this video. I'm so happy that I can have long hair whenever I want to. I don't have to wait for years for my hair to grow back. I can have my hair straight, and I can also have them curly because these beefy hair extensions can be styled. Thank you so much for watching, and you stay weird!